What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. And this is going to be a quick update video on my Palantir position. And back then we were up around $800 and we are currently up $1,180. Now, something that's changed since the last video is I bought 100 more shares of Palantir. So now I own 500 shares. And in order to do that, I had to sell out of some of my contracts that I had, the $25 strike ones. And those were the ones that were, I mean, they're both profitable already. So I took some profits from the contracts and I moved them over to some shares just because shares are safer than contracts. So just very quickly to summarize and recap, the Palantir position, it's up to $15,354. And with regard to stocks and shares, we own 500. And then we have 10 contracts for the strike of 22 expiring on August 20th. And then we have 27 contracts for the strike of $25 on the same day. And we're up 16% on the $25 ones and 24% on the $22 ones. So doing pretty well, I think. It's been 2 days, I believe, since my first video on Palantir. And we were up around $800 and now we're up 1,100. And at some point we were up around 2,200. But that's kind of the thing with options, is if we go over to Palantir, we can check out how it's been performing over the past 5 days. Is these moves right here, like from here to here, is enough to really swing that price up. But then these small movements down also affect the price for these contracts. They affect them a lot, is what I'm trying to say. So yeah, like if, as you see right here, this purple line down here indicates when I bought the contracts. So since I bought the contracts, Palantir has gone up around 9%, which is pretty solid. And then considering too, again, if we look at the contracts themselves, they're up over 9%. So we've made, some nice profits off of these contracts, and I'm still going to let them grow a little bit more. And as they become more profitable, I may start shaving some off as I did earlier and then buy shares. That was the plan from the beginning, was like use these for profits or try to get as much profits as possible to leverage my account, and then slowly sell out of these positions to buy shares which are more sustainable and I can do covered calls with. So that's going to be it for today. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day.